Tom was an ordinary boy who lived in a small town. His town was quiet, with narrow streets, small houses, and friendly neighbors. Every morning, Tom walked to school along the same road. He passed by the bakery, the little bookstore, the tall oak tree near the corner. Life in the town was simple and calm, but Tom always dreamed of something bigger. He wanted to see new places, meet new people, and learn new things. He often stood near the river that flowed outside the town, watching the water move. The river seemed endless, and Tom wondered where it would lead. One summer morning, Tom made a decision. He said to himself, "Today I will follow the river. I will walk until I find something new." With a small bag on his back and a bottle of water in his hand, he began his journey. The first part of his walk was familiar. He saw the green fields, the cows eating grass, and the children playing near the road. But after some time, the town disappeared behind him, and everything began to feel different. The road became quiet. The air felt fresher. The sound of the river was louder, guiding him forward. As he walked, Tom noticed many things he had never seen before. He saw wildflowers growing near the water. He saw birds flying low, their wings touching the river. He even saw fishermen sitting quietly, waiting for a fish to bite. Tom kept walking. His legs grew tired, but his heart felt excited. Every step brought something new. At one point, he stopped and looked around. Behind him was the small town he knew so well. In front of him was a wide open world, full of possibilities. After hours of walking, Tom found a small village he had never visited before. The people there were kind. They offered him food and water, and they asked about his journey. Tom felt shy at first, but soon he was laughing and talking with them. As the sun began to set, Tom sat near the river again. The sky turned orange and pink. He thought about his day. It was long. It was tiring, but it was also the most exciting day of his life. That night, as Tom walked back to his town, he realized something important. Adventure is not only in faraway places. Sometimes, it begins the moment you decide to take the first step. Moral of the story: small decisions can lead to big experiences. When you are curious and brave, even a simple walk can become a journey to remember.